Hey y'all, Anthony here from Ivey's Forge and Homestead. All right, 500 subscriptions. We hit a major milestone, and it's time for another giveaway. All right, so I've already said that I was going to be doing a Missouri tomahawk, the Missouri style tomahawk. I'll throw a picture up in one of the corners that we can see what it's kinda gonna look like. Okay, I have not made it yet. I do have something coming up this weekend. Taking a road trip, and we're going to another blacksmith shop. Both myself and Yamez from Island Metal Forge and Gladys are all taking a trip because we have some stuff to go pick up, and then we're going to spend the weekend and then come back. All right, so stand by for that one. Okay, so how you are going to enter into this giveaway is, for one, you need to be a sub. If I don't know that you're subscribed to the channel, I'm sorry, you're not going to be able to be part of the giveaway. Okay, it's not going to be just the first 500 subscribers, because I already know that by the time I get this drawing and stuff done, there's going to be over 500 subscribers. I'm already over 500 subscribers. So everyone that is currently subscribed to my channel, by the time I draw the name, you're eligible to win. Okay, as long as I know that you are a subscriber to my channel. So before I do the actual drawing, I will go verify that you are a subscriber before I put your name into the hat. Okay, I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. I'm going to write all the names down, put them in a hat, draw them out. Draw a winner, single winner out. Okay? Now, with that being said, how you enter into the drawing is you need to go to the Ivey's Forge and Homestead Facebook page. I have posted up the link from our TubeBuddy of where we reached the 500 subscribers award. So you'll go to that post and you'll click on there that you want to be part of the giveaway. You can put in there whatever. I want to win, or I'm in, or tomahawks are awesome. Okay, just whatever. As long as I know that you want to be part of the giveaway, go to our Facebook page, go to the link where I posted the picture of the 500 subscriber milestone, and comment on there that you want to be part. All right, that's it. And once I figure out who the winner is, and I'm gonna be working on that tomahawk this weekend, and we'll go from there. All right, so I'll give it 1 week. So one week from this Saturday, so not this Saturday, next Saturday, I will do the drawing. So that should be what's the date for next Saturday? I don't know. Okay, so the 22nd of February 2020 is when I will be doing the giveaway. Head over to Facebook, put in your stuff. You can also check us out on Instagram, and we're also on Twitter. I post stuff over there. I don't really follow it really closely. Okay, and if you also want to donate to the channel, you can also send us a donation through PayPal. I'll put that link down below. All it does is it helps us grow to be a bigger channel, to get materials, get stuff to help us work on what we're working on. Okay? Get better equipment so I don't have to record videos from my phone. That's it. All right? So, thank everybody for subscribing. And last thing, but not least, 1,000 subscriber giveaway is going to be epic. So, share it out. Tell all your friends. Come check us out. And when we get to 1,000 subscribers, you're not going to be disappointed. All right, y'all. See you on the next one. Bye-bye now.